It's actually raining cats and dog here. If it were when we were very small, we just pull our clothes and enter the rain and begin to play. The rain is so heavy, so heavy. In those days, by this time, we want to play football. We just enter the rain and begin to play, run around. How many of you did that when you were children in those days? We all did it. Very memorable days. Good old days. Oga Harry. I beg, when you dey small, this kind of dey fall. How you take do am? If you enter and play football,
Childhood is a different stage, yes, we did.
and they use speaking, they ask you, and you dey speak English. You wan tell me say I no fit speak English? Eh? I mean they call they catch you. Oga Henry say I should leave him. But it's something that we all did in those days. Once it's raining, you want to go and play football. And that's all.